Is it possible to restore my WhatsApp conversations after deleting my account?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic. Is it possible to restore your WhatsApp conversations after deleting your account? If you've recently deleted your WhatsApp account and are wondering if you can recover your old messages, then you're at the right place.
Understanding WhatsApp's policy.
Firstly, it's important to understand WhatsApp's deletion policy. When you delete your WhatsApp account, all of your message history, Google Drive backup, and WhatsApp groups are deleted permanently. It's a clean wipe, and unfortunately, WhatsApp does not store any personal data or share your personal data with Facebook or other third parties.
So, is there any hope?
Given the WhatsApp deletion policy, one might think that recovery is impossible. However, there is a potential workaround. If you have backed up your messages on Google Drive or iCloud before deleting your account, then there's hope.
The Google Drive, iCloud backup route.
To recover deleted WhatsApp messages, you can restore the backup from Google Drive or iCloud. This would require you to reinstall WhatsApp and sign in with the same phone number. During the installation process, you'll be prompted to restore your messages and media from Google Drive or iCloud. Click on Restore and wait for the process to finish.
What if you didn't back up?
If you didn't back up your chats, then unfortunately, it is nearly impossible to recover the messages. The key takeaway here is that, as a future prevention method, regularly backing up your WhatsApp chats to Google Drive or iCloud is crucial to avoid potential loss of data. In conclusion, restoring your WhatsApp conversations after deleting your account is possible, but only if you've previously backed up your data to Google Drive or iCloud. Without a backup, the chances of recovering your chats are slim to none. We hope this video has provided you with some clarity. Remember, prevention is better than cure, so make sure you're backing up your chats regularly.